Water is the most important compound on Earth's surface, covering about 70% of the planet. Without water, there is no life. In Israel, a small country in the Middle East, the water pollution became a big problem. Water in Israel is a precious resource that the state protects and develops since much of the area is desert and has low average rainfall. The Kinneret Sea is the biggest water resource for Israel, though in the last few years they started to use the Dead Sea too. There are a few reasons for the water's loss, such as overuse of water and salinity of the groundwater. The water problem in Israel is affected by pollutants such as gases, organic dust, wastewater from factories, and more. The water pollution has a couple of effects on our lives. It kills animals that depend on water such as fish, crabs, dolphins, and many others. The natural food chain is disrupted by the pollution as well. Pollutants such as lead and cadmium are eaten by tiny animals. Later, these animals are consumed by fish and shellfish, and the food chain continues to be disrupted at all higher levels. Eventually, humans are affected by this process as well. People can get diseases such as hepatitis by eating seafood that has been poisoned. In many poor nations, there are always outbreaks of cholera and diseases as a result of poor drinking water treatment from contaminated water. There are a few solutions for the water pollution in Israel, such as public awareness, desalination, wastewater treatment, and indeed the Ministry of Environmental and Local Authority enforce the consumer construction swag treatment facilities.